Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about typecasting in Java. Okay, so this is inheritance typecasting. Okay, so in typecasting we have two types of castings. First one is upcasting and second one is downcasting. Okay, so upcasting means converting from child class to parent class. Okay, converting from child class to parent class is called what upcasting. And a downcasting is nothing but converting from parent to child. Okay. So here this upcasting, okay, converting from child to parent, it will be done automatically. You no need to convert. Okay, you no need to convert this what a child class object to parent class object. But here, if you want here, if you want to convert from parent to child, then this should be done explicitly. Okay, so this should be done explicitly. So I'll tell you, okay, with an example. Okay, so in previous video I discussed about what a dynamic method dispatch. So if you want to understand this concept, a dynamic method dispatch is the prerequisite. So please watch that video if you have not watched previously. Okay, now uh, yeah, see here. Okay, so in dynamic method dispatch, what happened? So same method. Okay, same method is defined in both parent and child class with the same name and same signature. Okay, same name and same signature. But the implementation is different. Okay, here the implementation is what different. Now here, see in this example, so you created object of manager, but here the object which you have created, okay, you are assigning to the superclass reference variable. Okay, so at the time of compilation, E refers to what? Employee class reference. Employee class reference. So E dot set salary, E dot set name, and E dot get name, E dot get salary, E dot bonus. All these are refers to what? Employee type. Okay, employee type. Why? Because here this object is created at the time of execution. So at the time of compilation, okay, this E refers to employee class. But at the time of execution, this E refers to manager class. Why? Because at the time of execution, here, okay, manager class object, you are what assigning to this employee class reference variable. Okay, so now here, see, this set name and set salary, these two, okay, are defined in the what parent class, means employee class. These set name, set salary are not defined in the what employee class, but you are able to call this set name and set salary. Why? Because these two are inherited from the employee class. Okay, these two are inherited from the employee class. Okay, and get name and get salary also, these two are also what defined in the employee class, and these are inherited to the manager class. That's why you are able to call this E dot get name and E dot get salary at the time of execution also. Okay, at the time of execution also. Now this E dot bonus. Okay, so this E dot bonus. Okay, so this is defined in both parent class as well child class. Okay, both parent class and child class. Now see here, if you call this E dot bonus, what happened? You call this E dot bonus. So here at the time of execution, this E what initialized with manager class object. So this E dot bonus is going to call from the what manager class. Okay. So here, okay. So method, okay, invocation is what depends on the runtime initialization of the object. Okay. For suppose if you change this manager with employee, if you change this manager with employee, what happened? Here E dot bonus. Bonus is going to call from the what employee class. Okay. So here you can change this what right hand side. Right hand side you can change it by using what employee or manager. Doesn't matter, but it is going to call bonus method from runtime initial based on the runtime initialization of the object. This is what dynamic method dispatch. Okay. Here, okay. So the set name, set salary, these are not defined in the what manager class. Even you are able to call. Why? Because these are inherited from the what inherited from the employee. Okay. This bonus is what this is overridden from the what overridden from the employee. Okay. So there is no conflict. Okay. Okay. There is no conflict of this set name, set salary. Okay. Get name, get salary, and bonus. Okay. At the time of compilation, there is no conflict, and at the time of execution, there is no conflict. Okay. Yeah. But see here. Okay. Here, bonus method is defined in both parent class and subclass. Okay, and get name, set name, get salary, set salary. These are defined in the what? These are defined in the parent class. So that's why you are able to call. Okay, that's why you are able to call. Okay, now, but see here, a method which is defined in only subclass, but you are calling by using superclass reference variable. Okay, here, see, set DOP, date of promotion, and get date of promotion. These two are the methods, okay, defined in the manager class only. Okay, manager class only. These are not belongs to parent class anymore. Okay, these are not belongs to parent class anymore. Now, see here, if you try to call, what set DOP or get DOP methods, what happened in this case? See, set DOP and get DOP. See, now what I'm doing, E dot set DOP, set date of promotion. Okay, now you are getting error. Okay, I'll tell you why you are getting this. 11/5/2020 and get DOP. This is out. Okay, this is out. Here, E dot get DOP. Now you are getting error. Why? 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 Because here E dot set DOP, E dot get DOP, these two are not defined in the parent class. Now at the time of compilation, what compiler thinks? Okay, so this E dot set DOP is belongs to employee, but this set DOP is not defined in the what parent class employee. Okay, so at the time of execution, there is no problem. Why? Because this E is initialized with what manager object. Then okay, so this set DOP and get DOP are called by using this reference variable, what this reference variable. But compiler don't know why, because this what execution, sorry, this object creation what done at runtime. Okay, object creation done at runtime, and this initialization of this object also done at runtime, not at the time of compilation. Okay, so now this is the problem. So here there is no problem. Why? Because set name, set salary, get name, get salary, bonus, all these are defined in the employee class. Okay, all these are defined in the employee class. Okay, so there is no problem at the time of compilation. At the time of execution also no problem. Why? Because here at the time of execution, this E becomes manager class object. Why? Because here you are creating manager class object. Now set name, set salary, get name, get salary. These are inherited what methods from the what employee. Inherited methods from the employee. Subclass can use this, reuse this what what inherited methods. And this bonus is what not inherited version. This is overridden version. Okay, overridden version. So if you want to use inherited version, you should use super dot bonus like this. Okay. Now here set DOP, get DOP are not what are defined in employee. So in this case, what compiler will think so here, okay, set DOP and get DOP, these two are not defined in the employee. See, create method set DOP of string in type employee or cast to E. Means here employee, you should convert it into manager in this case. Okay. So see here, see downcasting. Okay. Downcasting done automatically. Okay. Downcasting is done automatically. Already I told. Right. Downcasting will done automatically. Sorry, here upcasting, right? So upcasting done automatically, but downcasting should what done explicitly. Okay. So here I'll show you. Second. Yeah. I'm converting here directly. You are storing this manager into this employee. Okay. So without conversion. See now I'm doing conversion manager. Okay. So even you did not cast into manager. Okay, automatically it is casting it to manager, converting it into manager, right? So this is done automatically. See, manager to employee means what? Subclass to what? Superclass. Okay, subclass to superclass. See, sub child class to parent class, upcasting done automatically. Okay, so even you don't put this conversion, okay, there is no effect. Okay, there is no effect. Now here, okay, now here what I'm doing is I'm going to convert this what a parent to what a child like this manager. See, so this is what downcasting. Okay, this is what downcasting. The downcasting should done explicitly. Okay, downcasting should done explicitly. See, sure. Happen validation error. Air brackets. Oh, this is fine, but it is showing error. Again, copy. Yeah. Now see here. Okay. So here we are converting what manager to employee like this. Okay, manager to employee like this. So this is what conversion of what parent to manager explicitly. Okay, parent to manager explicitly. So this is we are converting this what manager to means subclass to parent automatically. You are doing upcasting. See, even see manager you are writing right. Okay, so here sorry, not manager. Here you should write employee. Sorry, you should write employee. See, here even you convert it into what employee. Okay, there is no effect without writing. Okay, this employee also there is no effect. Okay, so this is what convert. This is what typecasting in what inheritance. Okay, converting from what superclass to subclass and subclass to superclass. So subclass object. Okay, the subclass object converting it into what its parent class automatically. This will done automatically. Upcasting will done automatically. But okay, parent to child, this will done manually. Explicitly, you should done like this. So this is downcast. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like my videos. Okay. Thanks. Thanks everyone.